Okay, hello there. So, this is what Visual Studio looks like when you open it. You should have a welcome screen, and if you click on the Explorer here, you should have something that looks like this. Don't worry if you don't have this is just an extension I have. First thing you need to do is go down here to Extensions and make sure you install React Native Tools, this one over here by Microsoft. Okay, make sure you install this. Once it is installed, you will restart Visual Studio. Okay, after that, you'll click back onto the folder Explorer and you will click on Open Folder. Now, I've already gone ahead and in my documents created a folder called MAST Apps. If you haven't done that, you can click on New Folder over here, call it MAST Apps, and then you select the folder like that. Now you have opened up your folder. In here I have two folders, group 1 and group 2. These are for my contact lessons. Close the welcome screen to give you some space to work with. Okay. Your next step will be to create a new app. So here we'll be going terminal, new terminal. Now can you see how here I have MAST apps at the bottom and it is my root folder that I am in right now. Now what I need to do is create a new Expo app. For that, I'm going to need the module manual. Okay, and in the module manual, you will scroll down until we reach setting up React Native. Now, if you haven't set up your Visual Studio yet, or you're setting it up on a home PC, please read through this. Okay, starting over here, you will read through all of this, download all of these environments and software, and make sure everything is functioning. Here it reminds you to install React Native Tools, and here's where we are now. Now to create a new app, I will be using this command over there, and we will just paste that into our okay, cannot paste, so I shall just type it out. Npx create expo app dash t expo template blank TypeScript. Okay, and that should be our command to create a new app. Now it's going to do some thinking, and then it's going to ask you to install packages. You press Y and you press enter. Now you need to name your app. I'm going to call this YouTube. Okay, but this is where you would name your app as task 1, as task 2, assignment 1, assignment 2, POE, whatever you need to name it. This is where you would type in that name over here. Press enter, and this is a very important step. Here you need to select the Expo version that you are going to be using. We will be using the For Learning with Expo Go SDK 54. And how you select that is you press down arrow key and then you press enter. Now you wait for it to install. This can take some time depending on your internet speed. You will get a bunch of warnings like this, nothing to worry about. Okay, and once it is done, you will get a list of possible commands you can run. We will be going cd YouTube. Okay, so you type out in your command terminal c command. There you go. cd YouTube. Now what that does is it changes the directory and navigates to the new folder YouTube you have created over here. Okay, if you press enter, you'll see we are now in the YouTube folder over here. Now we can test our app by running npx expo start. Now note, you have to do this for every new project you are creating, and we will be testing it for now using the web browser. But first we need to install the web browser packages. And how we do that is you will press you'll press W first, and this yellow text will appear. Then you press Control C. Control C will cancel your program and stop the server. Now what we can do is copy that and you paste it in over there and you press enter. This will install the React DOM packages. Now that you have done that, you can press the up arrow key until npx expo start appears. Press enter. And now when you press W, it should open up on your web browser. Note, if you come back here, you will see it is loading, and once it is done loading, here is our app that we have just created. Okay, good luck with this and enjoy.